God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. For all the times I wore myself beating like a favorite shirt, all wrapped up in that hurt. For every glass I saw half empty, now it overflows.
Yan ang aking mga halaman pag pag month ng April, May, June, yan, ganito ang mga bulaklak. Guys, i-flex ko lang ang aking mga tanim. Sili na mahaba. Yung kamote ko, guys, oh. Tapos, ayan. Pasili. Oh, yung aking pechay, bokchoy. Tumubo na. Yung bokchoy, yung okra ko. Yung okra, wala, ayaw na. Namatay na yung okra. Yung aking tanim na ampalaya. Ayan na. And then count tomato. May bulaklak na, guys, oh. Ang bilis. May bulaklak na. Ayan. Pa yan. Lit-lit pa lang nagkabulaklak na. Tapos, ito yung aking pang salad. Ayan. Sunny lettuce. Diba? Kahit konti lang may maaanihin. O, ayan. Bukas may harvestin na ako. Radish. Ayan na,